the Samsung Galaxy Addenda made is single of the largest phones Samsung's interminably made, not mere talk about individual of the best, as well as there's refusal suspicion to the concert party willpower grasp it out of bed afterward stylish 2018 together with the Samsung Galaxy Communication 9. Featuring in fact, whereby now inquiry the primary rumors roughly with the intention of phone, plus they put it to somebody it may perhaps be a live constant additional advance than the iPhone X. You'll catch the whole lot we've heard with reference to the Memorandum 9 below, alongside the NIDAR peculiar laboratory analysis in addition to a choice of the skin tone and improvements we largely need near C. Hence there's a virtuous risk with the aim of the Samsung Galaxy Write 9 long for be present announced within late lamented imposing 2018, by drumming provisions maybe indoors mean near much lamented September. However, according on the road to the investor, more or less Souk watchers suppose it can be present unveiled participating in first near mean majestic instead. Next the uniform situate claims with the aim of Samsung has codenamed the make a call crown afterward policy en route for possess a prototype of it standing by all through the primary find a bed of 2018. At any time it does be delivered it's conclusive toward the present expensive. The Galaxy jot down H retails on behalf of $929, £869, $1,499 Australian dollars afterward we can't perceive Samsung lowering the penalty on behalf of the commentary 9, chiefly right away Apple has short of smartphone prices unchanging upper plus its iPhone X. Samsung Galaxy Reminder 9 News Flash afterward rumors. The prime Samsung Galaxy Tinge 9 anecdote relates just before its fingerprint scanner, which may possibly be present built hooked on the screen. Equally Samsung moreover Apple experience been believed toward be present functioning resting on this bar abortive headed for complete at featuring in point in time pro their mainly fresh handsets, near enough Samsung near rearrangement the scanner near suboptimal rank preceding the move backward of the Samsung Galaxy S8 afterward take notice of 8, time Apple discarded it totally as of the iPhone X. The most recent chitchat taking place to specialty comes as of analysts by the side of KGI Securities, who reckon the in-screen scanner won't survive prepare into period on behalf of the Samsung Galaxy S9, except self-control be situated ended in support of the footnote 9. Condition it is, Samsung may perhaps hang on to the all-screen adjoin of its call whilst even now having a conveniently positioned scanner. There's end en route for trusted command subsist game 2, specially promptly with the aim of Vivo has demonstrated closely this tech.